A clinical group consists of patients suffering from knee pain. 42% are on pain medication, 65% are doing physical therapy, and 35% are doing both. The question says, are the two events, taking pain medication, which is the first event, and doing physical therapy, which is the second event, are they disjoint events? So before answering the question, we have to remember what the definition of disjoint events is. Two events are disjoint if they cannot happen together. So can the two events, taking pain medication and doing physical therapy, happen together? Which means, can a patient be taking pain medication and doing physical therapy? Is that possible? We know that's possible because the question itself says that probability of both is 35%, or percent of patients doing both the treatments is 35%. So in this case, we are given this information, which tells us that the two events, taking pain medication and doing physical therapy, can happen together. If they were disjoint, then the probability of both happening together would have to be 0. So the answer to the question, are the events taking pain medication and doing physical therapy disjoint events? The answer is no, because they can happen together.